Skills 2013 conference is second such one happening after 2010, and the purpose of this conference is that identifying the areas of skill challenges and making some policy recommendations to the government and public so that they can make recommendations for the production of real skills required by the market in the overseas market. Overseas market, what happens is whatever the skills that are produced in India and the requirement in the overseas market by the employers is different. There is a skill gap. So here such platform will help us in understanding the skill gaps and also planning for introducing right training courses so that after the people getting trained they can be tested, certified and sent to overseas countries. So in this scenario here, like you can see Singapore market. See, the skills required in the Singapore market and the skills that are produced in India, there is a gap. So if at all a candidate wants to go to Singapore, he has to have the skills that are required by the Singapore market, not India market. So sometimes it happens like whatever the skills we are giving in ITIs and polytechnics, some upgradation of skills is required, but sometimes it has to be from basics to advanced level. So that way the skills is a challenging market today, and in future the skills that are required is not engineers or doctors or nurses or low skilled categories. It is skilled technicians. They will be paid more and more. So about this conference, in this conference whatever the sessions that we had, different sessions were there: agriculture session and care industry and health industry. All these sessions, the speakers were from all over the world. They have contributed their value points. Based upon that, recommendations and way forward will be planned. Thank you.